Well, the implementation of the Single European Sky is not an option. It is an essential prerequisite for the development of an efficient and safe air transport in Europe. Thanks to the technology developed by SESAR, we will make aviation fly in Europe under its Single European Sky.
Research is a long-term activity. Many years go by from the 1,000 ideas till the mature solution will be implemented. Therefore, it's crucial, even in these difficult financial times, that we devote enough resources and energy to the innovation. Therefore, SESAR 2020 should open the door to the 1,000 ideas, which will lead to the mature solution to meet the challenges that a future ATM system will face.
SESAR 20 will ensure a smooth transition with the current SESAR program based on all the structural and organization improvement achieved so far. We also expect that the maturity of Step 2 will be achieved in order to improve the performance of ATM for the next decade.
For SESAR to continue to be the success it is now, we need to collectively learn from the experience. We need to simplify, we need to manage priorities, we need to define large-scale demonstrations, we need to be results-oriented. We also need to support the deployment manager and the network manager. But for sure, Thales is and will remain fully committed to the success of SESAR.
My expectations with SESAR 2020 is that we should be moving from pioneering into delivering what we've done those years. And I think that we're going to be transferring into the deployment manager the results that we've already achieved. And with the new program, SESAR 2020, we will be continuing working on the 4D trajectory technologies and some other stuff that will translate into standardized European ATM.
Honeywell is proud to be a member of the SESAR joint undertaking and contribute to Europe's air traffic management aspirations. Honeywell is continuing to work hard to deliver an innovative line of products and services to deliver long and short-term benefits to Europe's aviation stakeholders.
I expect the SESAR 2020 to be a cornerstone to provide ATM solutions to the European air traffic challenges successfully and of benefit of European society and business.
From a Linear Macchi point of view, we recognize that today the community have strongly supported the insertion of remote piloted aircraft in the Single European Sky. So it's important that SESAR should and can, because it's a competent body, can support this important activity for the community. SESAR means also to manage airspace user diversity. This is one concrete example in Europe.
SESAR 2020 will provide the opportunity to perform large-scale demonstration, allowing the validation of SESAR concepts on multiple platforms and with various aircraft, and constituting the fundamental bridge for the timely and effective deployment of SESAR.
Frequentis fully supports and expects a continuation of current activities as well as expansion of the activities in the program. Furthermore, we would like to see additional streams of activities established in the SESAR 2020 across domains, like crisis management or disaster management, but also intermodal transport systems should be covered there.
Airbus has been a very proactive supporter for the ATM transformation and evolution. For SESAR 2020, the number one objective is to make further steps toward industrial implementation upon consent reached around the European ATM Master Plan. The proof of concept at the operational and economical level using the flight trial demonstration will enable and facilitate the involvement of the airspace users and the controller community.
So it's our major goal with SESAR 2020 to make the most realistic validation scenarios for our systems and our concepts in order to bridge the gap between the development and the deployment.
Selex ES was created in 1st of January 2013, and so we are a large company with 18,000 people and more than 3.5 billion revenues, and our main expectation are so to have the R&D main program within SESAR JU, and also to be the worldwide reference for the innovation in the world.
Well, for the benefit of our passengers, the European hub airports rely on innovative procedures and systems for safer and more efficient operations. In order to meet tomorrow's challenges of growth in a very competitive environment, for SEAG airports it is very important to continue the research work currently performed on the SESAR beyond 2020.
Noracom represents 8 NSPs that through SESAR learned the importance of collaboration, and we strongly recognize the important role of SESAR 2020 and the need for strong leadership coming into ATM research and development. And with SESAR 2020, we expect to bring operational requirements into a maturity level that's ready for implementation, adjusted to regional expectations and business needs.
So we expect this programme to help drive the technological and procedural changes needed to improve the management of Europe's airspace. It's really important that the pace of change increases in the coming years, and we deliver the change our customers, the airspace users, require as quickly, safely and effectively as possible.